Hello and welcome to my little country kitchen. It's been a while since I've been back. I've been kind of MIA for the past 5 months, but I'm getting back into the swing of things now that my back is feeling better. I'll tell you all about that later. We are going to be canning some dry garbanzo beans because I want to make my own hummus. I don't want to buy the yucky stuff that has the yucky oils in it at the store. Let's get going. So yesterday I soaked some garbanzo beans. I only soaked one jar because I wanted to see if I could really just do them raw. So these ones are obviously empty. I'm going to drain this out. I did add a little bit of acid to break these down better. Lemon juice. So I'm going to drain this and refill it with water. And with this one, I'm going to do 1/4 cup raw. See how much they swell. And 1/3 cup. And then 1/2 cup because they say that you can do up to 1/2 cup in these pint jars. We will see. Okay, I'm going to fill them up with water and get the lids on. This is just cold water, but it's filtered. 1-inch headspace. The jars are cold. My water in my pressure canner's cold. I need more water. And as you can see, we're using 4-jar lids. I love 4 jars. Listen to this diddle dingle that I created with an AI app and see if you like it.
Twist it, finger tight, don't let it slide. Jar lids keep my meals inside. Pop that top, hear the sound. Best little circles I've ever found. 4-jar lids, you're my crew. Pickles jam, I stick with you. Snap, twist, lock it down. 4-jar lids rule this kitchen town. 4-jar lids rule this town.
This is now done. The thing is down. So we can go ahead and open this. And take out the jars to rest. I definitely could have done 1/2 cup for all of them, as you can see with that one. Okay, we need to wait till tomorrow for these to cool down. And after these cool down all the way, it's going to be a while. It's at least 12 hours. So I'm going to leave them overnight, let them sit. Subscribe and like. And on the next video, I'll show you how I'm going to make my hummus from scratch, which is going to be much better ingredients than the icky seed oils at the store. And I am, next Tuesday, and then 2 weeks after that as well, I'm going to be on the collaboration with Lisa from Sutton Stays for January. So subscribe so you can get notifications for that as well. And I will be giving away a couple things. This cute little 4 jars timer. One of my books that I wrote about my garden, and some tea, of course. And then, if you guys are interested, I do have an old-timey pressure canner. I'll put a picture of it here. If you guys are interested in that, let me know in the comments below, or while you're doing the live on January 31st, and I could possibly give that away too, because I don't need it anymore. And I can pay it forward for someone else. Thank you for joining me. See you on the next one.